Today's instructional video is cat-cow pose, one we see very often in our yoga practice and for very good reason. We'll come into all fours. The hands will be directly under the shoulders. This weight-bearing position will help us to strengthen the wrists and the arms. The knees are directly underneath the hips. I'll invite you to think about your spine as a straight line connecting your shoulders and your hips. Imagine the energy drawing forward through the crown of your head and back through the tailbone. We'll initiate the movement into cow pose from the pelvis. So as we lift the pelvis, the tailbone tilts up, the belly button draws down towards the earth. We then start to open up across the chest and we gently lift the gaze. No need to strain the neck. Then push down through the hands as we tuck the tailbone under, pulling the pelvis in. This movement will then ripple through the spine, naturally curving the spine, and lastly the chin tucking in towards the chest. Inhale, bringing that back to cow. Tailbone lifts, navel draws down towards the floor. Shoulder blades squeeze together, gaze up. Exhale as you push the ground away from you, making a C shape with the spine. Lastly, tucking chin into chest. With the breath, inhaling into cow pose. Exhaling into cat. Stretching out the torso and the neck while softly stimulating the abdominal organs, the kidneys, the adrenal glands. Encouraging the breath to be slow and steady as you move from one posture to another. Namaste.